Hello friends, I Ankit Sharma, Assistant Professor in Biani Group of Colleges. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on aromaticity on behalf of GuruKPO.com. First of all, we will discuss about the aromaticity. The definition of aromaticity is some planar, cyclic and conjugated system. Some planar, cyclic and conjugated system which have following characteristic property are regarded as aromatic in nature. First one is the higher degree of stability. The higher degree of stability of the compound is related to the resonance energy, and the resonance energy is considered as a resonance energy per benzene ring. Second thing is the show diamagnetic ring current. The aromatic compounds are generally diamagnetic in nature, and they show the ring current is diamagnetic ring current, and also follow the Huckel's rule. First one, we will discuss about the higher degree of stability. The first structure is benzene and the second structure is naphthalene. Benzene has greater resonance energy than the naphthalene. The resonance energy is calculated in the sense of per benzene ring. The first have per benzene ring greater resonance energy, so it has greater stability. So we can say that the aromatic compounds are highly stable in nature. The second thing is diamagnetic ring current. Show diamagnetic ring current. The first structure is aromatic compound and the second structure is the non-aromatic compound. अगर हम पहले कंपाउंड की बात करते हैं तो ये एरोमेटिक होता है और दूसरे कंपाउंड की बात करें तो ये नॉन एरोमेटिक है. वो इसलिए क्योंकि इसमें 2π डीलोकलाइज इलेक्ट्रॉन सिस्टम प्रेजेंट है, जबकि यहाँ पे 4π डीलोकलाइज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिस्टम प्रेजेंट है. जब हम फर्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर की फ्रॉस्ट सर्किल बनाते हैं तो इस फ्रॉस्ट सर्किल में हम लोग ये ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं कि यहाँ पर कोई भी अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट नहीं है. दोनों जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो पेयर्ड फॉर्म में है. सो हम कह सकते हैं कि ये डायमैग्नेटिक नेचर का होगा. जबकि सेकंड स्ट्रक्चर में जब हम इसका फ्रॉस्ट सर्किल बनाते हैं तो यहाँ पर दो अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन हमें नजर आ रहे हैं. अगर अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट होता है तो हम उसे पैरामैग्नेटिक नेचर में कंसिडर करते हैं. सो सेकेंड compound is paramagnetic in nature and the first compound is diamagnetic in nature, and according to Frost circle the compound which is diamagnetic in nature show the diamagnetic ring current and the compound paramagnetic in nature show the paramagnetic ring current. So we can say that aromatic compounds show the diamagnetic ring current. Cut. The next thing is Huckel rule. Aromatic compounds and anti-aromatic compound follow the Huckel rule. Huckel rule for the aromatic compound is that some compounds which is planar, cyclic and have 4n plus 2π delocalized electrons. These three conditions are necessary conditions. Here the value of n is maybe 0, 1, 2, 3 and as so on. If the value of n is 0, then the system is 2π. If the value is n is 1, then the system is 6π, and the value of n is 2, then the system is 10π. These are the aromatic systems. But in the other hand, anti-aromatic system, first two conditions will be same. The compound is planar and cyclic, but they follow the 4n pi delocalized electrons. Here the value of n is maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, but not 0. If the value of n is 1, then 4π electronic system. If the value of n is 2, then it is 8π electronic system, and the value of n is 3, 4 and 5. The value of pi electronic system is in the multiple of 4. Cut. The next category in aromaticity is non-aromatic compound. Non-aromatic compound, the first condition is all acyclic compounds are non-aromatic in nature. In first case, this is 4π electronic system and this is delocalized electron system, but it is not cyclic. ये सिस्टम साइक्लिक नहीं है, इसलिए हम इसे एरोमेटिक या एंटी एरोमेटिक की कैटेगरी में नहीं डालेंगे. इसे हम नॉन एरोमेटिक की कैटेगरी में कंसिडर करते हैं. और जो नेक्स्ट सिस्टम है ये 6π इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिस्टम है, लेकिन फिर भी ये साइक्लिक नहीं होने के कारण नॉन एरोमेटिक की कैटेगरी में आता. एंड द सेकेंड कंडीशन इज ऑड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्पीसीज. ऑड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्पीसीज का मतलब होता है कि ऐसी स्पीसीज जिसके अंदर ऑड नंबर में पाई इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिस्टम डीलोकलाइज्ड होते हो. इन फर्स्ट कंडीशन there is a 3 pi electronic system, and second condition of 5 pi electronic system. So it is not aromatic or anti-aromatic, it is belongs to the non-aromatic system. And the third condition is if the system have 4n system or 4n plus 2 pi electron, but they do not delocalized. अगर किसी सिस्टम में 4n कैटेगरी को भी फॉलो कर रहा है या फिर 4n प्लस 2 पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन की कैटेगरी को फॉलो कर रहा है, लेकिन वो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स डीलोकलाइज्ड अगर नहीं हो रहे हैं, तो वो कभी भी एरोमेटिक या एंटी एरोमेटिक कैटेगरी में नहीं आएंगे, वो एक स्पेशल कैटेगरी में रखे जाते हैं, दैट इज नॉन एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड्स। अब पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन्स डीलोकलाइज नहीं होते हैं, उसके दो रीजन होते हैं, या तो सिस्टम में कोई sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड कार्बन एटम प्रेजेंट हो या फिर सिस्टम नॉन प्लेनर हो। डीलोकलाइजेशन विल बी एब्सेंट ड्यू टू द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड कार्बन एटम in first category, and second category is the non-planar system. Non-planar system, such system which is non-planar in nature. First case is cyclooctatetraene. It is also called the 8-annuline. 8-annuline is simply in 2D representation, it shows the planarity, but actual structure of 8-annuline is tub shape. It is tub shape. And the first category, this pi bond and this pi bond delocalized, but not in complete ring due to the presence of this sp3 hybridized carbon atom. The delocalization is not in over the ring, and the second case same condition is present, so the complete delocalization not present in over the ring. So this case and this case are considered in the non-aromatic system. So we can say that here three categories are present. First one is the aromatic, which is follow the Huckel rule according to 4n plus 2 pi delocalized electronic system. Second category is the anti-aromatic compounds. Anti-aromatic compound follow Huckel rule in the conditions of 4n pi delocalized electron. And third one category is the non-aromatic system. Non-aromatic system which is not follow the Huckel rule. These are the acyclic system, odd electronic system, या फिर introduction of sp3 hybridized carbon atom, or non-planar system. I will show some example of aromaticity and anti-aromaticity and the non-aromatic compound. The first structure is 6 pi electronic system. Second structure also 6 pi electronic system. So both first and second structure follow the 4n plus 2 pi electronic system in Huckel rule. So these are the aromatic compounds, and the third and fourth compound 4 pi electronic system and 8 pi electronic system. So these are the example of 4n pi delocalized electronic system. So according to Huckel rule, these are anti-aromatic in nature. So we can say that aromatic compounds are show Huckel rule in the sense of 4n plus 2 pi delocalized electronic system, and anti-aromatic compounds show Huckel rule in the sense of 4n pi delocalized electronic system. So this is the aromaticity. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel.